This is my Google Chrome browser. We are going to search coin market cap. It already appear. We are going to click on it like this. Then we are going to click on number 1 that shows it's going to give you something like this. Then the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to change the browser setting to desktop mode. In the top right hand corner of the screen, you see 3 dots like this. Let me show you. You see this 3 dots, then we click on it. If you click on it, then we are going to click on this desktop site. I already show you now. Then it will give you something like this. Now we have the full detail of every coin. As you see, it is showing the every detail now. The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to search for the coin here. Searching. We are going to search for the coin that we are going to use during this arbitrage. We are going to use TRX coin, which is Tron. It has low transfer fees from an exchange. Then we will type okay, you see it already appear here. You see Tron. Then we click on it. Then we wait for it to load. Then it loads, you see it will give us the full detail of the RX. Now it's loading data. Then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click on this. Let me show you. Market. Then we click on market. Then it will give you something like this. You see give us the price of the Tron in every exchange. Now the next thing we are going to do is to zoom. Then we are going to click on this price. Let me show you this price. We are going to click on it. Then now we click on it. Now you will see it will give us the price of Tron in every exchange. You see, it gives the liquidity, the confidence level. Then we are going to click on this pair. Then we will click on it and click on then USDT. You see, then the next thing we are going to see is that you see all the TRX is like USDT affair. Then we are going to consider the price, like the price from this exchanger Probit. The price is 0.06784. You understand? Then the price from CEZ.io is 0.06294. You see the changes? Okay, if you continue scroll down, you will see all the changes are differs. The prices are differs. Like this of KuCoin, you see the price is 0.0285. You see the price is differ. Okay, this is where arbitrage starts. If you continue scrolling, you'll see like this the exchanger, the price is 0.052 in the exchanger following this. You see the price is differ so much. So this is all arbitrage is. And the next thing to consider is you must to consider the liquidity of the exchanger is not zero. Okay, and you must to consider the confidence level is not low. And then you must to consider the volume of the exchanger is not low, it's not zero before you go for it. And you must to register with so much of exchanges, like 10 of them or 15 of them, and then you must to do KYC before you put your money in. Understand? I hope you get me right. You must to do KYC because some exchanges are like you can't transfer if you not do KYC. Then you must to pass KYC in some of the exchanges. Like I said before, you have to register with different exchanges where you can buy low from this exchanger and sell high from this exchanger. You have to register at least 10 or 15 exchanges, and you must to pass KYC in the exchanges that you are using.